Hello children. Children, it is the lesson name immunosystem. Here the immunosystem in IPA exams are 2 4-mark questions are given children. In that first one is very important B cells or B lymphocytes. Another one the structure of B lymphocyte children. Right? It is very important for 4-mark question children. So this is geology second year class. The topic immunosystem. See here immunosystem means whenever the pathogens enter into the body, the pathogens means bacteria, virus, they enter into the body, then in our body produce antibodies. That antibodies fight against the pathogens. So that is a immunosystem. Listen, whenever a pathogens are enter into the body, so pathogens means bacteria and virus. When enter into the body, in our body produce antibodies. That antibodies are fight against the antigens or pathogens. That system is called the immunosystem. In that, so B cells, so the B lymphocytes, it is producing antibodies. So these antibodies are fight against the antigens. Now see the structure of B lymphocytes. Listen, the B lymphocytes means B lymphocytes capable of produce antibodies and capture the circulating antigens. That cells are called B cells or B lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes means B lymphocytes, it's producing antibodies. It producing antibodies and next capturing of antigens, capturing of circulating antigens. That cells are called B lymphocytes. Now, that B lymphocytes or B cells are producing from the stem cells, right? The B cells are produced from the stem cells. That stem cells are present in bone marrow. Okay, so bone marrow of adult mammals. Listen, the B cells are produced from the stem cells. The stem cells are present in bone marrow. So bone marrow of adult mammals. So it is the first children. The B cells are produced from the stem cells. Now the B cells at the stage of embryo, or fetus stage, at the stage of fetus, the B cells are produced from the liver children. From the liver. If the B cells are produced in birds, the B cells are produced in birds from the Bursa fabriceus. What is that? Bursa fabriceus. Okay children. Now the B cells are produced from the stem cells present in the bone marrow of adult mammal. Then the B cells are produced in embryonic stage from the liver. In birds, the B cells are produced from the Bursa fabriceus. Okay. Now what is the definition of B cells? The B cells is capable of producing antibodies and capturing the circulating antigens is called B cells or B lymphocytes. So the B lymphocytes are originated from the stem cells in bone marrow of adult mammal. In embryonic stage, the B cells are producing from liver, and then the B cells are produced in birds from the Bursa fabriceus. So these are the originating of B cells. Now children, so this is mature B cells. It is mature B cells. The structure of mature B cell. So the mature B cells, it produce or it synthesize various types of antibodies. See children, this is the mature B cell. It synthesizes various types of antibodies and display on their membrane surface. Here children, it producing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are the antibodies. That antibodies are present on their membrane surface of the mature B cells. Okay. Now these mature B cell is also known competent B cells. Competent B cells. So then these mature B cells or competent B cells, they reach into the secondary lymphoid organ. Listen, it reach into the secondary lymphoid organ. Example children, the secondary lymphoid organ example, spleen. Okay. Now see, the mature competent B cells reach into the secondary lymphoid organ, that means it reach into the spleen and develop into functional B cells. Functional B cells. Okay. The competent B cells, they reach into the spleen or secondary lymphoid organ and develop into the functional B cells. Now the functional B cells are divides into two types children. The functional B cells are divided two types. One is plasma cells. One is plasma cells. Another one memory cells. Two types children. Plasma cells and memory cells. The plasma cells produce antibodies. Main children here. The plasma cells of B cells produce antibodies, and then the memory cells, it store the information of antigens. See children, whenever the antigens enter into the body, no? So that antigen structure and shape, that the information and storage by the memory cells. Okay, now listen, first one, the definition, B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes means the B lymphocytes capable of producing antibodies and capture the circulating antigens. That is B lymphocytes. The B lymphocytes are originated from the stem cells of bone marrow in adult mammals, in embryonic stage from the liver, in birds of Fabricius. Now here the mature B cells synthesize different types of antibodies, and these antibodies are displayed on the surface of mature B cells. Now the mature B cells is also known immunocompetent B cells. That immunocompetent B cells reach into the secondary lymphoid organs. So the secondary lymphoid organ example, spleen or lymph nodules. Then inside of the spleen or inside of the secondary lymphoid organs, the B cells are developed into functional B cells. The functional B cells again it's divided into two types children. One is plasma cell, another one is memory cell. The plasma cell, it produces antibodies, so these antibodies are fight against the antigens, and then the memory cells, it store the information about antigens.